took some honey from a tree, dressed it up, and they called it me. Everybody's trying to be my baby. Everybody's trying to be my baby. Everybody is trying to be my baby now. Went out last night, I didn't stay late. Before I got home, I had 19 dates. Everybody's trying to be my baby. Everybody's trying to be my baby. Everybody's trying to be my baby now. Came in last night, 4:30. 50 women knocking at my door. Everybody's trying to be my baby. Everybody's trying to be my baby. Everybody's trying to be my baby now. Oh, who loves you, baby? You know, folks, it ain't easy being a single gorilla in a rock and roll band. I got it rough. I guess there's no secret. Everybody knows I likes the ladies, and everybody knows the ladies likes gorillas. I'm what every fat woman wants and what every skinny woman needs. They like to get closer to me than a cow on a dog, 'cause I'm uptight like two hams on a country hog. But you gotta be humble, folks. I learned you gotta be humble, and it's so hard to be humble when you're so perfect in every way. It's a big responsibility, and it ain't easy. You know, sometimes I feel like an air traffic controller, all these women circling around my lips just waiting for landing instructions.
Hey, Fats, what about Esmeralda?
What about her?
Well, I mean, I thought y'all was tight.
Well, yeah. I'll see you when I get back home, you know, Duke, you know, we tight.
You mean,
But we ain't tight.
what do you mean it's like regular tight?
Yeah, regular tight, you know. She's a mere flower of beauty in my bouquet of love. Yeah, old Esmeralda. She is pretty in a kind of twisted sort of way. But she got them big old feet. I wonder where she got them big old hooves from. She tells everybody she wears a size 11. But she tells me a size 12 double E feel real good. No, Duke. I believe the kid here is going to stick with dating them 10s. Nothing but a 10 for me.
What's that, 2 3s and a 4?
Beast Bear, I meet more ladies by accident than you'll ever meet on purpose.
No.
Fats, I thought you and Esmeralda were getting serious. She sounded like y'all were going to tie the knot the last time I talked to her. You're not fooling anybody.
What are you talking about?
I know you like her best. I can see. I can tell by the way you hold in your stomach when she's around.
Yeah, Fats, I've seen you pumping iron down at the gym a couple weeks before you're about to go back home. Yeah, you're getting ready for old Pudsey Poo.
Yeah, and I remember when you said you was gonna trim up so you could pinch an inch.
More like a foot.
Remember, Fats, you said you couldn't wait to see her. You said you couldn't wait to hear those 3 little words.
What 3 little words you talking about, Midgey?
You know, the 3 little words you said made you walk on air.
Oh, I know, I heard him. She said, go hang yourself. Fellas, not me. The kid is a free agent. Nobody's gonna tie me down. I'm like Pete Rose. I'm gonna be all over the field. I'm gonna be talking to the ladies all over the place. How y'all doing out there, ladies? How y'all doing? Y'all looking good? Looking good out there. How about that, Duke? You see that move I made on him there?
Yeah, I see it, Fats.
No, not the kid. I'll be traveling around all over the place talking to these beautiful women. This song right here is dedicated to all these beautiful women, and it goes just like this. Cha-cha. I'm a traveling man, sailing by the stars, all over the world, and in every port I own the heart of at least one lovely girl. I'm a pretty senorita waiting for me down in old Mexico. If you ever in Alaska, stop and see my cute little Eskimo. Oh, my sweet Fraulein down in Berlin town makes my heart start to yearn. Polynesian, baby, over the sea. I remember the night when we walked in the sand of the Waikiki, and I held you oh so tight. Play it, boy. Oh, my sweet Fräulein down in Berlin town makes my heart start to yearn. And my China doll down in old Hong Kong waits for my return. A pretty Polynesian baby over the sea. I remember the night when we walked in the sand of the Waikiki, and I held you so tight. Yeah, I did, honey. Oh, I'm a traveling man. Yes, I'm a traveling. Oh, I'm a traveling man, baby. Yes, I'm a traveling man. That's right, honey. Oh.